lagi pa. Naik lagi. Oh, lagi video nggak apa-apa ya, video. Diputar. Turun lagi. Naik lagi.
Far from home, and lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known.
Luar biasa. 1, 2, 3.
Chasing freedom like I'm running out of youth. Ask myself what makes me happy. I can't seem to find the truth. People ask me what I do. I say that I'm chasing dreams. I know they just think I'm crazy. Putting faith and make believe. I don't blame them, cause some days I think the same. Like I've been wasting my time, but I don't got no time to change. I done cheated every time I've been in love. Chase the girl who doesn't care it all and hurt the one who does. I was raised to just forget about him, yeah, that's how I grew. Every year's a different state, every grade's a different school. Every couple years or so.
Rasa gimana rasa?
What the fuck's a family bond? I just wanna fly to anywhere but where we are. So take me away and take me.
It's a place that's far from home, and lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known. Paradise is a place that's far from home, and lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known.
Lately I've been dropping 2 at a time. It doesn't faze me now, I'm doing just fine. And as of lately I've been breaking the law, chasing this money I'm not making every day of my job. Yeah, that's the evil that'll kill this race. Nobody feeling safe, kids concealing face, sealing fates just to fill a safe. Robbing, steal your vases while your face is in a pillar case. We in a gorilla state, chasing big gorilla state. Now we risking real stakes. Ain't no time to film mistakes, ain't no extra reels it takes. Tell me how much reels it take to stop this cinema and the sins you admit it. Stuff, cause when it's finished, you'll see these minutes are just miniature.